I quit Forex. Yeah, I'm not trading anymore. And I'm not making this decision because Forex is a scam or it cannot work for me or anything, but I quit because of a lot of factors. And this is why. Hear me out. You might have seen this video where I said, oh, don't do Forex. Forex is not for everybody, this and that. Now, I think I'm in that category. Yeah, I think I'm part of the people that should not be trading Forex at this moment of my life because Forex is about to ruin me. Forex is about to delay my progress in life. And I've promised myself that this year will be my year of breakthrough. But if I continue with Forex, it might not be. So that is why I'm quitting. And I will tell you the reasons why I said that this year might not be my breakthrough year if I continue with Forex. You see, one thing that is constant about Forex is that everybody loses. Everybody, like every damn person loses in Forex. Even the so-called gurus and profitable traders and all of that, they all lose in this Forex industry. And if people like that are losing, like, I mean, yes, they have a better win rate and all of that, but if people like that cannot still avoid losing after investing so much years, so much knowledge, so much intelligence, what is me and you? Me and you that we are just starting and we don't have enough requirements and equipment and stuff to fight this thing, to approach this thing. Now, if you want to understand what I'm saying better, like in one of my videos, I've explained what you need to have. In that video, I was saying that someone should have 50 million naira. Like, you should be worth like 50 million naira before you start trading, before you say you want to trade Forex market. And people are like, oh, this and that, that's trash and all of that. Some people agree, some people don't. But you see, one thing I've learned in this industry is that if you are broke, you cannot succeed. Forget about if you are broke. Like, I mean, you are broke, not like you're doing something and you're getting some money and then okay, you're now investing that money in Forex ahead. That's a different story. But if you are broke, I mean totally broke, you cannot be successful in this Forex industry. Why? In my last video I talked about this. I started with $5,000. I started with $1,000 then, but I had $5,000 in my savings then. Then I blew everything inside Forex. Then I started making money from other things I'm doing. I was serving at the time, so all my alawi and everything, I was putting it in Forex and everything like that. But I'm broke. Why do I say I'm broke? Is that I cannot afford to lose all those money that I'm investing in the market, and it's making me make decisions that are not in line with market psychology. I don't know if you get that. So it's not working for me. No matter what I do, when I lose money, I'm always emotional about it, even though I'm trying to lock the emotional out. See, I've sure quit. I've quit. I want to explain to you why I quit, but it's seeming like it's personal, right? But I've explained reasons why people should not trade Forex yet. Like, I've said all this in my other video. You can go and watch it if you don't. But what I'm saying now is that I'm in that category now. All those things that I said, I'm now in that category now. And because of that, I'll be making a very hard decision of quitting Forex. Not like I will quit totally, right? But I will focus on other things. And I will be trading Forex on this side. If I trade, fine. If I don't trade, fine. But like, I will not be, Forex will not be my major hustle no more, right? Until I make enough money to be able to forego a particular amount of money totally, and then I will now resume Forex trading fully again. Or I should still be doing it on the side. But for now, I'm quitting Forex because that shit is ruining my life. Now, quitting Forex, what do? I have an idea. I was like, okay, let me start a business. What kind of business should I start? I like tech, tech products and stuff like that, high-end products. Even it could be home appliances, it could be anything, but it's just tech. I like tech so much. So I researched about the product that I can invest in, that I can do my business in, and lo and behold, there is no product in my city. I live in Ibadan. There is no product in Ibadan that I can invest my money in. I don't even have the money. But then there is no product that is worth investing my money in this Ibadan after doing my feasibility study. So I was like, okay, business cancelled. I cannot do business. What else can I do? And I found something. I've known about this for a very long time, but I don't trust it. But now I researched about it, and I feel like it's something I can do because it actually aligns with my goals, with my things, with my career, And what's it? Drop shipping. Yeah, I intend to do drop shipping. And how do I intend to do it, right? I'm a content creator normally, right? So, and drop shipping is basically content. Drop shipping is just content creation. You create your website or your Shopify account or whatever, and you drag traffic to the account, to the product or whatever, and people will buy and you make money. So, drop shipping is just basically content, and I'm a content creator already, and I want to be doing content forever, not just for a while. So I feel like it aligns with my goals, with my career. So I felt like, okay, let me start. So that's what I want to do now, and I've not figured it out yet. I've not devised everything that I want to do in this drop shipping, but I've started. In fact, even though it requires money, it requires so much money. Even this content, I've uploaded for a very long time now, but I got tired of doing talking head and just talking. So I wanted to do more interesting content. Do you get? So, and that requires money. So I've been looking up for a way to like gather money to shoot those contents. But coupled with drop shipping and everything, I think I should be able to come up with something probably in the coming week or in the coming month. So that's the update for now. But I'm quitting Forex. And if you like yourself, you should too now. If you know you are in my situation, you should too, because bro, this thing is draining me. It's taking my mental health. I don't have the financial ability to pursue Forex full time. There's a difference between pursuing it on the side and pursuing it full time. I was pursuing it full time, but the financial ability to do that, I don't have it, and I'm quitting because of that. Also, it requires a lot of time. I mean, I've spent more than 2 years trading Forex now, and I'm still nowhere to be found. And I've always heard stories of people that are successful that will say, oh, I spent 5 years, I spent 7 years. I don't have 5 years. I don't have 5 years to be in this situation, to be struggling before I now succeed in Forex. No, I don't. So I'm quitting because of that. Another reason why I'm quitting is because it's too much of a risk. I'm saying, oh, if I make it in Forex, I will be a billionaire, I will be this. But what if I don't? The risk is higher. Like, I'm at a stage in my life that I need to be sure of what I'm doing. I need to see progress in what I'm doing. And this is my new mantra. So far, I'm seeing progress, I will endure. But in Forex, I'm not seeing any progress. So it's too much of stress for me. And that is why I'm quitting. And another thing is the uncertainty. I can be saying, oh, I will make it in Forex. Let's just keep going. Let's just lock in. Let's just do this and that. What if you don't? I cannot take that chance. It's also relating to risk in some way, because yes, it's too much of a risk. What if I don't make it? I cannot take that risk. What if Forex don't work out? I cannot. So after 5 years, I will still be back to square one, and I will still be. And that's one thing that Forex does. It sends you back to square one. I mean, if you lose an account now, you cannot say, oh, can you give me a smaller account to now continue, or take off, start from where I stopped? No, it will render you so useless. You have to go and work another money to invest in it again. I don't like that. I don't like to not see progress. The only progress you're making is the knowledge you're having. And the knowledge is not easy to tame. Do you get? The psychology is not easy to tame. So I'm not taking that risk no more. And that is why I'm quitting. So guys, please bear with me. And I'll be doing it, or I'll be doing it on the side, but I'm not focusing. For the past 2 weeks like this, I did not trade. I did not take any trade at all, because I blew my account. I blew my alpha trading account, and I blew so many accounts. I bought a $100,000 account at a time, thinking, oh, I will do this with that account, and I blew it. So I'm not just making the progress I need to. I'll be doing it on the side, but I'll not be doing it full time again. So that's it for this video. I hope next video I'll be able to come up with a solid plan for my dropshipping. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think about me quitting Forex, guys.